everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I will be telling you how you can use the label tag. So, in the last episode, we learned how to use the button tag. So, today I will be telling you how you can use the label tag. So, let's get right into it. So, first, create a new folder, name it anything you want. I'm gonna name it label. Inside the folder, create the files as usual. So label tag is used for labeling things. So like in the H tag, the text was bigger. It was big. But the label tags text is small. It is used to label things um, like a image. If the person don't understand what that image, you can put a label tag below the image or above the image. That what is this image about? So to create the label tag, first filter to the usual stuff in an HTML file. So HTML head so now it's done. So for the label tag, it's lesser than symbol label lesser than symbol. So now you can put anything in the label, any text. So I'm gonna write subscribe. So then you can live test. So if you want to see how the live test button came here, so you can watch my H tag tutorial video. You will see it over here. So go live. So here we got to subscribe. So subscribe is like this, and let me show you how is the H. So let's go for the smallest or biggest. This is subscribe and this is like. So subscribe is smaller. So let's try H6. So we can make it even smaller, but the label is the perfect size for labeling. So this is our HTML done. Now we can do the usual CSS. It's the same CSS we learned. So first linkings. And we rename it REL is equal to double quotes style sheet. So we need to put it in the folder, I think. Yeah. To move Charlotte CSS into label, move. So now we need to make a ID. Label ID is equal to double quotes like. Then for ID it is hashtag like, open and close curly brackets. So after like, let's give font size. Let's make the font size bigger if we want. Font dash size colon 100 px. 100px is bigger. So you can do all these things like this. So this was it for this episode. So if you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and for more amazing content like this, comment if you have any doubts, share if you want more people to learn coding, and see ya!